Ito, mga pasalubong to. Tsaka, damit din namin for 5 days. So, ito yung nakakatawa, no? Nung nasa England kami, nagbabakasyon kami dito sa Czech Republic. Ngayon nasa Czech Republic kami nakatira. Nagbabakasyon kami ngayon sa England. Yeah. Magbabas kami to train station kasi si Milan may pasok pa umaga, si Helen din may pasok, si Mamingka hindi naman marunong mag-drive yun. So wala talagang may mag-drive sa amin, kaya magbabas kami. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Then magti-train kami to Ostrava, then Ostrava to Poland. Mas maganda ito, mas malapit, magandang bus yun. So yan, 9:40 yung bus namin doon sa Ostrava. Darating kami ng 11 o'clock sa Poland. Yung flight namin is, what time is our flight, darling? To Manchester? 4 o'clock. So tamang-tama talaga yung arrival. 4 hours before or 3 hours and a half. Nasa airport na kami before flight. Okay. Yan sila, ha? Yung asma ko, umagang-umaga kanina, alas 3 pa lang, inatake na ako. Buti na lang may mga spray ako. Dalawang klaseng spray yung ginagamit ko, inhaler, yung pink at saka blue.
So you always wish to go to Ostrava or from Ostrava by train? So here is London.
So nandito na kami sa train station dito sa Ambala. Yun, ito na yung train namin, no? Papunta ng Ostrava. Mga, kung anong yun, mga 20-30 minutes siguro. Wala nga, 20 minutes lang siguro. Okay. Ostrava is Vinov. So alam ko na tong lugar na to. Palagi kaming sumasakay rito dati ng train to Prague nung hindi pa namin na-discoveryhan na meron palang train to Prague from Opava. Ostrava is Vinov. Tea? Do you want? Nothing? Coffee in the bus. I'll get Hannah some tea kasi nalalamig na siya. So ito ay bound for Katowice na. Katowice. Yeah. Okay. So pagtimpla ko si Hannah ng tea. Ito, tea. Yun. Tea, tea. Wala namang tea. Saan mo buwan ng tea? Sugar. Ah, ito. Ito pala. Kukuha ka pala rito. Tapos itong tubig ng tea. Okay, kamila to. So yan, tinuhanan ko lang si Hannah ng tea kasi nalalamig siya. Okay. Hinubad ko yung aking jacket para gamitin ni Hannah kasi nalalamig siya. Yeah? Warm now?
Yeah.
With tea?
Yeah.
Coffee naman sa akin. Yan. How about you, Pinkay? Nice?
Yeah.
You have internet on board?
I can't hear you.
Huh?
What did you say that?
Alright, okay. Never mind, okay. Okay, we just arrived in Katowice Airport. So, tinatanong niya na kung pagbalik, kung ganun, doon din ba daw na bus stop doon, yung yellow bus na yun, doon kami na bumaba eh. Pero yung papunta, pabalik doon sa Czech Republic.
And I want pierogi.
Okay, ayun. Andito na kami sa departure area ng terminal. Very easy, hindi siya yung nakakalito.
It would be awesome.
Yan. Okay, where's the check-in area? For departure. Security control. Control Bezpiecz. No, so dito lahat ng nakasulat dito ay mga Polish na, hindi na Czech. So darling, do you understand Polish?
Yeah, it's very similar. It is similar, but anyway, so they have it also in English. So
Alright, okay.
I guess that English is still easier than Polish.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I understand.
Yeah. So nag-order ako ng stew. Polish stew. Patiti lang si Ana.
I have my stew here.
Nasa pag kami nasa lounge, nag-antay pa lang ng check-in time. Yeah. Nice.
That's okay.
Naka-check-in na kami dito sa loob ng airport. Tapos na kami nag-immigration, security screening. So nandito na kami sa lounge sa loob ng gate. Okay, nag-antay na lang kami ng flight. Okay, oras is alas 3:00 ng hapon dito sa Poland. Ang flight namin is 4 o'clock. Time to board. Okay. Excited?
Yeah,
How excited?
really excited. This is really good. Trzymaj tak w gryzie. radę. Dziękuję bardzo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to Manchester, England. We are back. Pinkay?
We're back home.
You are back?
Home.
How do you feel?
Amazing.
After 1 year and 2 months?
I don't think I want to go back to Czech Republic.
Huh?
I don't think I want to go back to Czech Republic. I just feel so happy here.
Why?
Oh,
Why? Is it because this is the place where you were born?
Yeah.
You feel at home?
Yeah.
Really?
I already feel British.
Wow! Amazing.
Yeah. I'm excited to see my friends tomorrow, especially. So happy.
Yung feeling mo na alam mong dito ka kasi tumagal sa lugar nito na nagbigay din ng privilege and opportunity, kaya parang yeah,
I'm happy to not be in school.
it's nice to be home. Sabi nga ni Sophia, feeling yan sa home. Okay, tram is coming. Yan. So, doon kami tutuloy sa aming kaibigan sa church.
No, she's always like, the next stop, Shadow Moss, or Victoria Tram Station. Next stop, Victoria Tram Station. I miss her voice. I miss her.
Yeah. So, first thing that we're gonna do tomorrow, what?
I'm going with my friends.
Sophia is going to see her friends. They are former classmates of Sophia.
And Mommy's going to coffee. I don't know what you're doing.
To be honest, I don't have anything to do tomorrow. But I'm just gonna walk around maybe. I don't think June and she available tomorrow for
You can meet your friends
because it's Friday.
in your old work.
Yeah, I can go to, but it's Friday. They start 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah.
4 o'clock is Mommy's schedule.
So anyway,
By 4 o'clock, I think we're going to be finished with my friends.
yeah. So look at that. It's nice weather here today in Manchester, England. Yeah. Feeling happy?
When's the next time we're going to Manchester?
So, itong tutuluyan namin, kaibigan namin talaga to. Close kami rito. Na matagal na namin kilala. Sila yung nag-assist sa amin dito nung bago pa lang kami dito sa England. Sister in Christ namin. So, sa kanya kami tutuloy sa loob ng 5 nights. Okay? Including to ngayon. So yung oras dito is 6:40 na ng gabi. Pero araw pa rin. Maliwanag pa. So hinihintay niya na kami. Nagte-text na siya sa amin. At yan. Kaya lang hindi namin siya pwedeng ipakita. Ayaw niyang ma-include sa aming vlog. Masyado silang private. So, okay lang yun. Pero, yan, matagal na namin siyang kaibigan. At, parang kwanto auntie yung tawag ni Hana, ni Sophia sa kanya kasi kwanto, si Sophia, baby nila to si Sophia. Na talagang nakita nila kung paano si Sophia lumaki una ng baby pa. Hindi pa pinanganak si Sophia, sila din yung nagbigay ng baby shower. Nagbubuntis pa lang si Hana. So sila yung nagbigay ng baby shower party. So pero ngayon nag-iisa sa dyan sa bahay nila. So tamang tama. Ang sobrang bait nun. Kasi nung may Ukrainian family nun, nung kasagsagan ng giyera, na talagang kinupkup niya ng free for almost 1 year sa bahay niya. Kasi dalawa yung bahay nila. So itong bahay na to, dito siya nakatira kasi malapit sa office niya. Malaki.